have a closer look at this Simplehuman 40-liter, 10.6 gallon slim kitchen step trash can and share my likes and dislikes. I like that they're available in multiple colors. It includes a stainless steel liner rim along with a stainless steel foot pedal with a plastic dent-proof container and lid. The lid opens smoothly with ease and down gently with a soft quiet close. It has a small footprint for tidy places. The material is easy to wipe down and clean. Alright, don't laugh, but I normally store my chicken bones and my seafood shells in the freezer to prevent my kitchen from stinking. So if you have room in the freezer, this might be a good idea. This trash can uses the N-style custom fit trash bag liner. You can also use the traditional 13-gallon trash bag. Here I'm about to show you how to remove the trash bag liner and replace it with a new one. Just lift up on the stainless steel liner trim and it stays up. And simply pull out the liner trash bag. Conveniently, I store my trash liner bag at the bottom of my trash can. Another thing I like is that the trash bag liner fits snug around the edge of the trash can. The stainless steel liner trim fits securely, holds the liner, and keeps it hidden so it always looks neat and tidy. The thing I don't like about it is I have to take out the trash. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.